I'm Rania.
I'm Layla,
Hi, I'm Malik.
I'm Alex.
and today we'll be talking about our Fitflow app, which is a comprehensive fitness management platform connecting trainers, clients, and health analysts. So, for clients like Chester, it eliminates confusion for tracking workout programs by putting out a simple interface. For trainers, it's a streamline for program creation and client management, and for health analysts, it provides aggregated data to optimize training strategies. So, whether you're an athlete trying to stay consistent between classes or a trainer managing multiple clients, Fitflow keeps everyone connected and accountable. Now, for all of our API routes, they are organized using Flash blueprints grouped by persona to keep responsibilities clean.
For the system admin persona, I organized all routes in a single system admin blueprint to keep the API modular and easy to maintain. For data retrieval, I implemented several get routes, one that returns all system logs, another that filters logs by action type, and routes for listing users, permissions, and backup logs. These allow the admin to monitor system activity and database health. For creating new records, the post routes handle creating users, trainer profiles, and client profiles. Put routes support updating the users and permission settings, giving the admin fine-grained control over roles and access rights. And delete routes allow removing users and exercises with proper handling and foreign key checks to prevent accidental data corruption.
Now, for the health analyst persona, the blueprint is organized for 6 routes dedicated to this corresponding REST API. The first is a function to retrieve the average duration of workouts for a client per year or per week. Next is access to the client's background information, whether the health analyst is able to access the fitness level and the goals of a client. After that is the route to present the most recent up-to-date health metrics for a particular client. And then we have the health progression route, which compares and understands the health metrics per month and allows the health analyst to understand the progression and decline of a client as well. And then there's the route to understand the completion rate of a trainer's program, identifying popular trends. And similarly is the workout template frequency, which identifies the most popular template among clientele.
Moving on to our trainer API lets trainers manage every part of the workout workflow and track progress. Our post routes creates the workout specific exercise, which takes any exercise like sit-ups and adds the sets, reps, and reps. Workout templates, which are full workout sessions like arm day made up of many workout specific exercises and assigned template to client. Get routes, get specific workout specific exercises, workout templates, and assigned programs, and client logs with completion rate and feedback. And then delete is deleting specific exercises, workout templates, or feedbacks.
The client persona blueprint is organized into 6 routes dedicated to workout management and progressive tracking. The first get route retrieves the client's last 10 completed workouts. This is ordered by date and joins the client workout log with workout session template to display workout names. Post creates new workout log entries, validating required fields such as client ID, workout ID, and date. Put enables dynamic updates to existing logs, building queries based on provided fields. Delete provides cleanup for functionality that improves and that removes incomplete workout logs.
So next, we will get into the front-end visualization of our app, where our home page gives access to the system admin, trainer, the health analyst, and clientele pages.
So I'll start by walking through the system admin experience. So all of the admin pages are organized from the prefix 00 to 09, and we have 3 different types of pages in the system administrators pages. We have user management, where we can create a new user, create a new trainer profile, or create a client profile through the post routes. And so we can test out creating a new user over here. And permissions, maybe this is a trainer who wants to create exercises, so they will be granted those permissions. And we can see this reflected in our data grid users table. As we can see over here, here's user number 30. And let's move on to some of the other pages. So we have system monitoring. We can view system logs, view backup logs, all through get routes. And we can see all the different types of system logs, maybe an exercise is flagged. And then we can manage user permissions through put routes. And then similarly, we can use a put route to also update an exercise if we want to update exercise number 5, for example, give it a new name, maybe something like dumbbells, and then do dumbbells. And then give it a category like maybe weights. And then we can update this exercise and see it reflected in the exercise table of the database. Right here, we have exercise number 5 replaced with dumbbells. And similarly, we can also delete an exercise. Suppose we want to delete the exercise we just made. We can delete that and see that updated right here. Exercise number 5 is gone. That's all for the system administrator pages. Moving on.
Now for the health analyst pages. The health analyst is able to access workout analytics, client profiles, and health metrics. So first, for the client profiles, we'll get into client background information, where the health analyst is able to retrieve all information for every client. And next, we'll get into the recent health metrics, where the health analyst is able to obtain the most recent health metrics per client for future analysis.
And moving on to our trainers mostly interact with workouts, templates, and their assigned programs. We can see they can track client progress, client logs and feedback, and client programs. Looking into the workout templates, they can browse or create workout templates. Here, they can add a name, a description, what this workout would be targeting, like arm day, and then specific exercises. And you can see that reflected in the database. And you can also delete a workout template if you feel like it's not suited for any of your clients. And these are reusable structures that can be assigned to different clients, making it a lot more convenient for the trainer.
Now I'll switch to the client role. These pages showcase how an end user reacts with Fitflow, logging workouts and tracking progress. This is the client's homepage. He gets personalized greeting with quick stats. He gets a log workout tab, my program, and a dashboard tab to navigate. Here's the dashboard. At the top, Chester sees an overview. 3 completed sessions with a 55-minute average. The post-workout table loads recent performance metrics for the logged-in client. It uses GET requests from the health metrics in the client tables. Recent workout displays are displayed with dates, names, and durations, all pulled from the GET route. This is the most important part. This is the most important page, the log workout. Let me do a quick demo. Chester logs a workout. Let's say he does upper body blast on today's date for 35 minutes with an incomplete status. Let's verify it in the database. That's our entry. Back to Streamlit to
Thank you.
That's it for our